Okay. I'm back. And it's been 5 months or something. No, it's actually just been 2, but whatever. I am at my mom's work, and I'm bored, so I'm gonna make a video. Merry Christmas, even though it's not Christmas. It was Christmas a couple days ago. I went ice skating last night with my friend. It was fun. So right now, I got 2 laptops. And this is one of them. And I really wasn't expecting that. It's kind of crazy. But now I can do my homework and stuff. Yes. I'm making something. Whoops, wrong way. So it's like a latch hook kit. So it gives you so this is what it's supposed to look like in the end. It's kind of like a carpet fuzzy thing. I've done one before. It's of a tiger, and it's pretty cool. It's like half this size, so this one's really big. I got this for Christmas. I also have a dog one, but I haven't even started it yet. But it's pretty fun. So yeah, this is what it's supposed to look like in the end. It's actually pretty easy once you get the hang of it. You use this thingy. Oops. So it's like tying little knots around these squares. So here, let me see something. So there's different letters and colors that you have, and it's so it's coded on this thing, and it just tells you what to put and where, since it's in a grid kind of form. And here, I'm gonna try move it in a way so that you can see it. I think that's pretty good. Don't turn off, please. Okay, so let me see something that I have a lot of. I have a lot of these greens. Okay, so yes, you have a thread. You loop it around this, so it's like that. I pinch it, and so you see how it's underneath one line, you put it under, that little line thing goes up, you loop it around it. Here, I'm trying to put it so that you can see. Okay, so yes, you loop it around. Oh my gosh. Okay, one sec. We'll line things up, and then you loop it around like that. You probably can't see it, and then it just goes on. It's a little hard, but whatever. Yes, I'm bored-ish. I'm very hungry. Ow. Yay. Okay. Well, happy birthday if it's your birthday today. Or whenever your birthday is. I hope that I'll be uploading a little bit more since I have an electronic with me like all the time. So yes. And I guess I'll show you this rug carpet pillow thing, whatever, in a couple of days when it's done. If it's a couple of days. That's gonna get stuck, isn't it? No? Okay. Okay. I don't know if that's the microphone or not. Yay. Bye.